Alright, welcome back. Today's tutorial is how to install another free PCB design library. This one is librePCB. So we're gonna go to Firefox. And we're gonna go librePCB. Click. And we're gonna go ahead and download. We're on Windows, so we're gonna download the installer for Windows. I would recommend donating if you can. Free software is always nice, and it's a lot of work. Right. So I went here and I clicked on it directly, or you can open the folder and double click. And then we're gonna go to next. Default location. I'm gonna let it install all its extra little component libraries. I recommend reading this. The general license basically means you're just using it for yourself and not making any money on it. Alright. And surprised it didn't do a shortcut link, but double check, make sure it's installed correctly. Alright, there you go. This is just setting it up. Personally, I like working in millimeters. I recommend you work in metric, it's a much cleaner system. Ooh. I'm not gonna set that right now. Alright, there you go. You have now installed librePCB.